Good morning. Hi, Theo.
That's your vlogger. That's for
That's
sure.
my vlogging voice.
Yeah. I didn't even see that you had the camera. I just knew. Good morning.
We just had breakfast. Andrew made me eggs, as he should. Oh, hi, dog. Do you have energy? Do you have energy, boy? We have a delivery that just got dropped off, so we're gonna unbox that, and I'm so excited. Okay, Theo. Okay, we are done putting everything together. So I just want to show you the chair. Looks so good. I love it. And then Andrew finished putting together the outdoor furniture, but he's already covered it up because he thinks it's gonna rain. So I'll show it to you a bit later. Are you waiting for your dad? Hello. Now I can never not hear my vlogging voice. I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me and show you guys kind of my current makeup routine. Is this crooked a little bit? And then I'm gonna put together an outfit that I need to shoot for Instagram, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Okay, so I have skincare and sunscreen on. So I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter. And I like to just go kind of as like a pseudo base, and then go in with concealer after to kind of cover up where I need more coverage. And then I also started using this Avene High Protection Tinted Compact. So it's sunscreen basically, but it's like a tinted compact. And you can use this almost like foundation a little bit, just for like extra coverage. And I love that it has SPF 50 in it. Go in with my Tower 28 blush. And then I'll do bronzer after, so I don't overdo the bronzer. I love this blush color. It's kind of like a berry, I don't know, but I feel like it's just really natural. I always like to go over my brows because they're microbladed. Then I just take off any like makeup or skincare that I get on them, and then I basically just brush them up with a brow gel. All right, let's go to mascara, and then I'll do my spot concealing technique. Lately I've been using three mascaras. The Pat McGrath Labs, which is a cult classic that I love. The MAC Magic Extensions mascara, which is new. Maybe one of my favorite MAC mascaras ever. And then the Talk Beauty Clean Mascara. Today I'm gonna use Pat McGrath on my upper lashes and Talk on my bottom, just because I find it doesn't smudge at all. I never get this eye as good as this eye. It's really annoying. And I also get mascara freaking everywhere, all over my eyelid whenever I do it. And does anyone else do that? Like literally every single time I have to go in with a Q-tip. I'm gonna use this Derma Blend concealer. This is in light. Put some on the back of my hand. I also like to just put some under my eyes. And then do my spot concealing. I have a IGTV video where I kind of like break down how I do it, so I'll link that. And then just do this quickly. Then I set with this Derma Blend powder. I'm gonna use this new Victoria Beckham bronzer that I bought. You really don't need much. It is pretty pigmented, but I'll just kind of use it on the perimeter of my face, A little bit on my eyelids and on my nose. Second coat of mascara, and then I'll do my bottom lashes with the Talk Beauty. T-O-K, not T-A-L-K. Talk like TikTok, which I never go on, so I am old. Okay, I'll just wipe away this powder lightly and do my brows. And that's it. I'll just spray with MAC Fix Plus. I love this Glow Play lip balm from MAC too, because it's lip balm, but kind of gives you a bit of sheen and color. This is in Sweet Treat. Shooting today, this purple sweatsuit that I put together from Uniqlo. So I'm wearing a medium in both sizes. Excuse me, I'm wearing a medium in both the top and the bottom. I could have even gone with a small, actually, just because it's a bit of a boxy fit, which I actually really like. But yeah, I'm just gonna style this because this is such a pastel kind of like girly sweatsuit. I want to do something that's like more masculine, juxtaposition heavy. So I'm gonna pair it with these boots that I splurged on, that I absolutely love, and that are also mom friendly because they have zippers and they're so easy to get on. There we go. For some reason, I have this thing about matching my bag and my shoes. I don't like it. I think it looks really like, I don't know, matchy too much. So I'm gonna go with this brown bag that's still a bit dark, but isn't black, so like doesn't totally match. I will show you guys my closet and everything on the house tour when like the finished house tour goes up. I have an empty house tour up on my channel. I will insert that in case you want to watch, and then just a pair of oversized sunglasses, and that's it. And then you can also layer on like a coat if you need, but very athleisure chic. Okay, bye. Hello. So I am gonna do a kind of like yoga workout stretch kind of thing with Andrew. What time is it? It's like 5 o'clock. Thought I would show you guys the bump. 32 weeks. Just came up the stairs, so I'm a little bit tired. As I'm changing into my workout stuff, I thought I would show you a few of the things that I got in from Uniqlo that I've been wearing. So we've got this sports bra, probably something that I'll be wearing postpartum as well. It's really, really comfy. It has no underwires or anything. It's just like molded. It's got a racer back. I can't really turn that way. Sorry. I've been wearing this all day today. And then I'm wearing their black sweatpants as well. And then I just put on their basic black activewear leggings that I love. And this white activewear t-shirt. This is a size medium, so fits over my bump really nicely and super comfortable, really great to wear for working out. Oh, I have marks on my eyes from my glasses. Just throw this on because it's a little chilly today and I've been wearing this a ton. Okay, let's go work out or stretch or whatever. Okay, baby, let's go. We got our TV up, by the way, and we bought a Klimt. And this is what our place is looking like right now. Got a bunch of things in from Article, which is amazing. Still waiting for our dining room table. These stools might be my favorite. I love them so.
My favorite is the memories we're creating, but yeah, the stools are good too.
So Andrew has converted our garage into a gym. Well, I mean, we can still use it for the car and everything, but he's got some gym stuff in there and we have a TV in there. So we're gonna go do a little yoga video.
Very smooth. One of your best.
So we've got some mats here. These chairs will be gone. Got a nice TV.
You want to do like a YouTube workout?
Yeah. And then Andrew has a bench and some weights as well. Got our stroller.
Maybe resist the urge to do that.
Do you hate me right now?
No. You know what? No, I don't.
Okay, that is done. That was a little bit harder than I thought it was gonna be, but I'm glad I did it, and I'm gonna have a nice bath and just soak a little bit before we make dinner. Okay, freshly bathed, feeling squeaky clean, and I'm gonna make dinner. Hi, buddy. Ooh. Mommy loves you, baby. I am gonna make dinner as we kind of watch playoff hockey. I don't really talk about this, but I really like hockey, and I especially love playoff hockey. So I am making a meal kit from Fresh Prep. They are a local Vancouver vegetarian company. So that's what I'm gonna make. And then we've got our TV up, and I said that already. Andrew just took out some garbage. And we're gonna watch the end of this game while I cook and he studies, and we hang out with our dog.
Who's looking at me longingly, having gone 3 minutes.
Oh.
Rejected.
Brutal, Theo.
Rejected.
That's brutal.
Rejected your dad.
My lower back just really is sore. Okay, this is how it turned out. It looks good. Is it good?
It's so good. I can't wait to be eating it out of my mustache later. It is so good.